In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer Facebook page ownership. So let's get into the video. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to you click on your profile. Once you're there, you click on see all profiles. So you simply need to choose the Facebook page in which you want to transfer the ownership to another account. Click on it. Okay, once you're there, you click on professional dashboard. After which you scroll down and you click on page access. Click on it. Once you get there, you are going to see people with Facebook access. You click on add new. So after that, you simply click on what? Next. Once you're here, you can either decide to add the person with just by using the person email address or the person name. So we are going to be using the person name. So that's it. Click on what? This is a person here. Click on the name. So but you simply need to give the person full access on the page. Click on what? Give access. So for security reasons, you simply need to insert your Facebook password. Click on next. So Facebook will send them an invitation on your Facebook account, so they will simply need to accept it. Once they accept it, you can now remove yourself on that Facebook, on your Facebook page. So once they accept it, you can simply remove your own self from your Facebook page. So by just clicking on these three dots here, click on remove access, you click on what? Remove access. So guys, that's actually the way you transfer Facebook page ownership to another Facebook account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.